There are many upsets in this WTT European Summer Series events. It's very hard to predict anything because the level of the top players is very close together. It's a good sign for table tennis. The moment when a European and a Chinese team play each other and it's European with the penhold grip. Here are the quick results to check up. Watch the live event on the WTT YouTube channel. Many top seeds are eliminated early. Paul Drinkall, England, 3-0 Lu Dingxua, 11-7, 11-9, 11-4. Liao Jinjuan, Chinese Taipei, 3-2 Niwa Takaki, Japan, 11-9, 8-11, 6-11, 11-7, 11-9. Alex Lebrun, France, 3-0 on Jaehyun, South Korea, 12-10, 11-7, 11-6. Felix Lebrun, France, 3-0 Apollonia, Portugal. F. Lebrun/A. Lebrun, France, 3-1 Pitchfort/Kinghall, England, 12-14, 11-5, 13-11, 11-4. Men's singles January 16. Omar Assar, Egypt, 3-2 Harmoto, Japan, 6-11, 11-4, 11-5, 4-11, 11-9. Chuan Jiuan, Chinese Taipei, 3-1 Simon Gauzy, France, 11-5, 7-11, 13-11, 11-3. Men's doubles 1/8 final. Ma Long/Wang Chuqin, 3-1 Sierra Leonean Leon Brun/Lebrun, France, 10-12, 11-4, 11-3, 11-8. Men's doubles 1/8 final. Lin Yunru/Liao Jinjuan, Chinese Taipei, 3-0 Fox/Carlsen, Sweden, 11-9, 11-9, 11-8. Women's doubles 1/8 finals. Hayata Hina/Ito Mima, Japan, 3-1 Solja/Shan Jiana, Germany, 11-6, 5-11, 11-4, 11-3.